Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get this nice smooth slow motion effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's add a video clip to the timeline that needs to have this nice buttery smooth slow motion effect. Now let's use the razor tool to cut the specific part that we want to slow down. Now, right-click on the selected video clip and navigate to Speed/Duration. A small box will appear, where you can decrease the speed value based on your requirements. Go down to the Time Interpolation section, choose Optical Flow, and then click OK. The video is still not playing smoothly, as indicated by the red bar above our video clip, which suggests that this slow motion effect is too demanding for Premiere Pro to handle. Let's resolve this issue. Select the video clip, go to the Sequence menu, and choose Render Selection. This process will take some time depending on the duration of the video clip. Once the rendering is complete, you will notice that the red bar has turned to green. Now, if you play the video, it will run smoothly at the selected speed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips and techniques have been helpful for your editing process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials and tips. We would also appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue creating great content.